Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to customize your WhatsApp profile. So first of all, you click on your WhatsApp application and then you click on settings, which is the last icon below. You click on your profile info that usually displays your name, and then here you can change your name and add some icons. You can also change your about info, which is like your bio on WhatsApp. And then you can change it to maybe at school, available at the movies, or you can just simply edit it to anything of your choice. You can delete this and add anything you would like to add. Then you click on save when you are done editing. After that, your info will be saved on WhatsApp. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.